Lucy, you put the pennies in the dish. Put the pennies in the dish. Put them in the dish. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yay, Lucy. Such a good girl. Try it again. Okay. Put the pennies in the dish. She's not giving me a chance. Good girl. Oops, sorry, I forgot. Good girl. Such a good girl putting the pennies in the dish. Can you give me a high five? Yeah, that a girl. Okay, pennies in the dish. Yay! Yay! Good girl. Ah, it's the best girl.
So she give you a spin.
Will you give me a spin? Give me a spin. Just like, I don't know. Will you give me a spin? Come on, give me a spin. Will you spin? Huh? Will you spin for me? Come on. Give me a spin. Give me a spin. Give me a spin. All the way. All the way. All the way. All the way. That's good. Put the pennies in the dish. Can you put the pennies in the dish? Good girl. Good girl. Put the other penny in the dish. And then we're finished. Yay! You're the best. Can I have a kiss? A kiss? Kiss? Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, step up. That's a good girl. She's the best bird. Good girl. Yay,
I'll give you a
Lucy.
spin.
One spin. Daddy says a spin and a high five. Let's do a spin. Do a spin. Good girl. You are the best.
High five.
Give me a high five. That a girl.
One more spin.
Okay.
Don't make her chase it.
Give me a spin. Give me a spin. Give me a spin. Good baby. Okay. Can you take a bow? Can you sing? Can you take a bow? Yay, Lucy.
Shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. She's not going to sing because she's getting treats. She's a good girl. You did a good